How to add a hyperlink to Eventbrite. Eventbrite is an online platform used for creating, managing, and promoting events. If you notice here on this Eventbrite page, the URL in the address bar is particularly long, containing letters and numbers and hyphens, which would make it harder for your attendees or someone that simply wanted to share your event. So first log into your account. Then go to the My Events page of Eventbrite. You find the event that you want to create the shortened custom URL. Under Quick Links, you go to Manage. Once you get to the event dashboard, the Manage screen on of that particular Eventbrite event, you simply go right here. You click the box, you type whatever it is that you want your custom URL to be. Then you click Save. Now, whenever you want to share that event, you can just simply go to this page and click Copy and Share. That's it. Thanks for watching.